The skin in the underarm area is very sensitive and is susceptible to a variety of problems like rashes, pigmentation, infection, ingrown hair, pimples, and the most common problem is the discoloration and dark underarms. Here are few simple steps on how to get rid of dark underarms. Clean and wash your armpits. Boil just a little water in a pot for about 1 or 2 minutes. Dip a cotton cloth in the water and squeeze it to remove the excess water. Clean your armpits gently with the cloth. You can also add little cleanser to the water to remove any deodorant residue. Next step is to exfoliate the area. You can create your own body scrub for the underarms by mixing 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon water. When you are applying the exfoliator to your underarms, use circular motion, making sure to cover the entire area. It's a good idea to exfoliate first before using any underarms whitening pack to remove any dead skin cells. Underarm whitening pack. Take 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and add 1 teaspoon of tomato juice. Mix all the ingredients well together. Apply this pack gently on your underarms area and rub it in a circular motion for about 2 minutes. After that, leave it on for about 5 more minutes and then wash off with cold water. You can use this pack daily. Turmeric is commonly used in face masks to brighten up the skin tone and also fade away spots. Regular application on the underarms will definitely lighten the dark skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid that further aids in underarm whitening process. Now comes the last step, which is to moisturize your underarms. The best way to help soothe and condition your skin is to apply a moisturizer. Apply the moisturizer daily. Exfoliate your underarms twice in a week. You will definitely start seeing results within a week. These home remedies are perfectly safe and have mostly no side effects. But still, if you feel you are allergic to any of the ingredients, do a patch test first before using it. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.